Welcome back to German with Andy. This is the German for Beginners class.
Day 8. Fahren. Ich fahre das Auto. I drive the car. Now what we want to learn in this lesson is how to say that I drive something, or I ride, or I'm going to somewhere with the word fahren. For example, ich fahre das Auto. I drive the car. Or ich fahre das Fahrrad. I drive, but better, I ride the bike. You could also say ich fahre das Rad. Rad and Fahrrad is like in English bike and bicycle. Alright, we want to conjugate this. So you would say ich fahre, du fährst, sie, es fährt, wir fahren, ihr fahrt, sie fahren. Remember, ich, I, du, you, sie, es, he, she, it, wir, we, ihr, you, sie, they. How to use it? Fahren can simply be used when you want to say that you're driving something or you drive to somewhere. Another good example is ich fahre mit dem Bus. I'm driving, going by bus. You would probably translate this to I'm going by bus because you don't actually drive the bus. So in German you would say ich fahre mit dem Bus. Here mit means with the bus. Okay? You could also say ich fahre nach Deutschland. I drive to Germany. Also often used in cases to say like I go to Germany. Hopefully you can do that next time and then directly use the German that you learned in this course. Alright. Also, very often, especially younger people probably, would say this one. Fährst du? Fährst du? Ja, ich fahre. Ja, ich fahre. Which is kind of like, you drive? Yes, I drive. It's often said when somebody is asking, will you drive tonight? Because we had a party or something. I'm asking you, will you drive home later? Can you take me with you? Literally, that's what this means. Fährst du? Ja, ich fahre. Alright? I hope you learned something useful out of this lesson, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.